Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.